How to enter safe mode on an HP laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to boot up in safe mode on your HP PC or laptop running Windows 11. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. The first thing we need to do is simply hit the Windows Start button in the bottom of your computer and then go to the power button. And before we select anything within the power menu, hold down the Shift key on your computer and then select Restart. Keep holding the Shift key until the screen turns blue. This might take a little bit to get us into recovery mode, but once there, you'll see a blue screen and then you can let go of the Shift key. All right, once we see choose an option and the screen looks like this, you can let go of the Shift key, go ahead and select troubleshoot, then advanced options, and then startup settings. Once in startup settings, all we need to do is select restart. You can see it says enable safe mode. So go ahead and select restart, give it a second to reboot. Then once it reboots, if it says BitLocker, that means that your computer's locked down, but it's really easy to turn this off so that we can enter safe mode. So go ahead and select enter on your keyboard. So once you get here, all you need to do is go to the website address that's right here and make sure that you sign in with the account that is currently logged into your computer. They'll show you what that account looks like. Once you get there, they'll give you a recovery key that you need to enter in. So enter that key and then hit enter on your keyboard, and it'll bring you to the startup settings. Now, if you didn't see BitLocker, then that's okay. You'll see the startup settings. And once you get to startup settings, all you need to do is find enable safe mode, and it should be number 4. Then just select number 4 on your keyboard or whatever number is next to the enable safe mode, and it will reboot us into safe mode. So now it's rebooted. It did take it several seconds to get to reboot. Now I can log in. And once I'm logged in, I can see that I'm now in safe mode because it says safe mode in the corners of the screen. So that's how you put your HP laptop in safe mode. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.